Welcome back to our kitchen. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Nagbabalik po si ms.kuCHEnera. Today, we will be cooking Fettuccine Alfredo pasta. So here are our ingredients. We have chicken breast fillet, butter, minced garlic, chicken cubes, cream cheese, cream, olives, sliced mushrooms, salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese, and of course, our uncooked fettuccine pasta. Later, we will be cooking this one. So, I'm going to show you guys. So, let's start cooking. We're going to heat up our pan with olive oil. And maybe a tablespoon of butter. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start frying our breast fillet, maybe 3 to 6 minutes only. Remember, your breast fillet should be seasoned enough with salt and pepper. Maybe we can have it, we can fry 4 at the same time. Okay, so we have our water boiling here. So we're gonna put enough amount of salt, season it with salt, and then okay, so let's wait till our pasta is al dente or just enough to bite. Okay, so we'll see our pasta later. Okay, so our chicken is done. Let's set aside and let's slice them up. And then later we're gonna add in this to our sauce. Okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use again our oil that we use for frying. We're just gonna add in some butter. Let's lower the heat and add garlic. Okay. Why the same pan? Because all the flavors of the chicken are here. So we're gonna mix it in. We're gonna mix everything in here. Okay, so let's add in our mushroom. Fresh mushrooms taste better, but since it's not available, so we use canned butter mushroom. Add in our chicken bouillon, salt and pepper, few dash only. Later, it's easy to just add up according to your taste. Let's add in our cream. Lower the heat. And slowly add your cream. Same goes with your cream cheese. This is different Alfredo sauce because it has cream cheese on it, which will help it become richer and creamier. Have to dissolve cream. Okay, so at this point, if your mixture has become too thick, you can add a little bit of fresh milk or just water from your pasta. Okay, let it simmer for about 6 to 10 minutes. And then now we have our fettuccine done. So it's drained. And let's wait for the sauce to be cooked up. Okay, so it has thickened. Let's add in our black olives. Next, we're gonna add in our Parmesan cheese. And last, we're gonna add in our sliced chicken. So So here we go. This is our Alfredo sauce. Okay. So let's plate in. Okay, so let's plate them up. Look at the sauce. They're all rich and creamy. Okay, and for the finishing touch, let's add in some of our sliced chicken. And I think that's good enough. Some Parmesan cheese on top for a finishing top. Okay. So here's our Fettuccine Alfredo pasta. ms.kuCHEnera's version. Okay. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.